Yeah, I do think the programs are quite unique.
We learn a lot, just a lot of stuff.
The assignments are not as bad as long as you get your work on time and do it, and it's all about the mindset.
I found it a bit hard at the start, but then when I got used to it and I got the hang of it, then it started flowing more easily.
The modules are designed to help the students in the real world. And we've taken in advice from our stakeholders. We've got, on our stakeholder team, we've got quite a lot of companies that help us devise these programs.
It was hard, but it's worth it.
I think a lot of that contributed to why I would continue to study in the industry.
Sounds great. Sounds great.
Yeah, I don't think opportunities like this, they come around. So when they do, I think you've got to grab every opportunity as it comes.
Come to Crown, have fun.
And you will have amazing experience here, and you'll get a lot of knowledge and skills.
Yeah, come to Crown. You'd love it here.